Here I've got LG Free, and let me show you how to activate LED notifications on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, go to the accessibility, which is under System, and scroll down a bit until you see Notifications LED. Simply click on it, and now you can switch it on and off by tapping on the switchers. And now it's active, so you can pick the functions in which these notifications will be active. So it can be incoming call, missed calls and messages, battery charging, and also downloaded apps. So you can switch off some functions or select it for all of them. And that's it. You can personalize it whenever you want to, whenever you need to. You can quickly disable and enable it by tapping on this switcher over here. And that's basically all. This is how you can use notifications LED in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.